Hello everyone, here we go. Short update again. As we can see here, gearbox is back out. Before I took the engine and gearbox out, clutch was engaging and disengaging on turnover. I assumed it was all okay, adjusted the cable, everything seemed to be going okay. Got the vehicle started and small issue. As you can see here, the shaft has fell down and melted this, which is stopping the face of the release bearing from engaging on the clutch plate, which is here. So this part here, this bit that rolls around, wasn't getting to engage because, as you can see, this face is sitting out. So took the gearbox out, took the clutch out, took the pressure plate out, and was supposed to ring Paul and find out what his opinion was, which I didn't really want to do. It was kind of blatantly obvious what was wrong. This piece is missing, so there was no, I think it's called a pinion bearing, a frostbus bronze bearing, so it was missing. So there was nothing to send to the shaft. There is play in the shaft, but apparently that's normal for a back wheel drive. So we've got this machine today and a new release bearing to fit. So that's why there hasn't been, I suppose, very much doing, other than we have the interior somewhat tidied up. Seats in, back window in, still a bit of trim over here to get fixed up and get cleaned up. It's all hoovered out, it still needs another bit of cleaning, as you can see, but largely all there. Bar on, back plate on, we have mud flaps on. These are the genuine Dacia mud flaps, come in this vehicle when it was new, so obviously they're still on her, both sides, as you can see here. So, still to do calipers. We're thinking about taking the calipers out, renewing the pistons, renewing the seals, which is something really should have been done, but as usual, lastminute.com. So my next dilemma is whether we're going to use this new clutch and new plate when we have it open here, or else place this back in. So that's it. As you can see here, very little wear on it, just a wee bit rusty on the face. Been sitting for 2 years, but I would say she wouldn't be long running that off. So that's the whole update of that. And so far so good. 520 odd miles covered so far and still going, so can't complain there either. So there you go. Like, comment and subscribe.